Dear students, today I will discuss about the greedy algorithm parallelism. So first we discuss the characteristic of greedy algorithm. In greedy algorithm, first we make a sequence of choice. Each choice is one that seems best so far only depend on the what been done so far. Choice produces a smaller problem to be solved. So greedy algorithm is maybe best choice opt and may also not a best choice. And it is used for only smaller problem. In order for greedy heuristic to solve the problem, it must be that the optimal solution to the big problem contains optimal solution to sub. Means for designing a greedy algorithm, the cost the problem so that we make a greedy locally optimal choice and are left with one subproblem. Prove that there is always a globally optimal solution to the original problem that makes the greedy choice. Next point of the designing of greedy algorithm, so that the choice together with an optimal solution to the subproblem gives an optimal solution to the original problem. That is the point of for designing a greedy algorithm. Some greedy algorithm example like fractional knapsack algorithm, Huffman codes, Kruskal minimum spanning tree algorithm, Prim's minimum spanning tree algorithm, Discastra single source shortest path algorithm, like that, and so on. Several number of greedy algorithm discussed here. So first is like knapsack problem. What is the knapsack problem? Suppose that there are n different item in a store available. Item I weight WI pounds and worth $VI. इसी पर्टिकुलर आई आइटम का जो वेट है डब्ल्यू है एंड वर्थ है वी. ए थीप ब्रेक्स इन, थीप उन्हें तोड़ सकता है. कैन कैरी अप टू डब्ल्यू पाउंड इन हिज नैपसैक, जो उसके पास स्नैपसैक है, नैपसैक में थैला है, उसमें मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी कितनी हो सकती है? डब्ल्यू पाउंड. व्हाट शुड ही टेक टू मैक्सिमाइज द वैल्यू ऑफ हिज ऑल, और वो क्या ऐसा चॉइस यूज करे जिससे उसकी वैल्यू यानी प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम हो. तो several approaches uses in this greedy approach like that 0-1 versus 0-1 approach. In 0-1 knapsack problem means item cannot be divided, not be taken fraction. Thief must take entire item or leave it behind. या तो पूरा सेलेक्ट करेगा या उसको सेलेक्ट नहीं करेगा, बट फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट नहीं ले सकते हैं इन 0-1 knapsack problem. While in fractional knapsack problem, thief can take partial item, यानी उसको डिवाइड करके सेलेक्ट कर सकता है. फॉर इंस्टेंस आइटम आर लिक्विड्स और पाउडर्स soluble with the greedy algorithm. ये एक कंडीशन हो गई है कि अगर हम पार्टीशन ले रहे हैं तो आइटम आर लिक्विड्स हो और पाउडर डिविजिबल फॉर्म में हो. सो greedy fractional knapsack algorithm sort item in decreasing order of value per pound. Criteria according criteria of greedy algorithm. If sort item in decreasing order of value per pound, while still room in the knapsack, limit of W pounds do. जो उसके पास knapsack है उसमें maximum limit कितनी W है. Consider next item in the sorted list. Take as much as possible, all there is or much as will fit. Any sort item decreasing order of value. So first select the value, maximum value of item in its knapsack. While be room in the knapsack limit of W counts do. Consider the next item in the sorted list. अगर स्पेस है थैले में तो नेक्स्ट आइटम पे स्विच करेगा. Take a much as possible, all there is a much as will. So the time complexity of this approach is equal to order of n log n running time for the sort. अगर ये greedy approach solve की जाती with the help of 0-1 knapsack algorithm के through, तो explain with the help of example. Suppose 3 items, item 1 weight 10 lbs worth $60. Item 2 weight 20 lbs worth 105 lbs per hour. Item 3 weight 30 lbs worth 120. And जो knapsack hold 50 lbs maximum. Then grid is take item first. Take item first. Take item 2. No room for the. यानी उसने फर्स्ट सेलेक्ट किया, सेकंड सेलेक्ट किया, अब नेक्स्ट तो सेलेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा क्योंकि उसके पास केवल स्पेस 50 का. तो ये हो गया सिलेक्शन अकॉर्डिंग टू वेट, मिनिमम वेट टू मैक्सिमम वेट. अगर इसको हम अभी जो प्रीवियस में कहा कि अगर हम गिवन आइटम को सॉर्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर वर्थ वैल्यू डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में, तो देन फर्स्ट सेलेक्टेड 30, तो टोटल प्रॉफिट होगा 120 का. लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू वेट तो प्रॉफिट क्या हो रहा है 160. सो 0-1 knapsack apply choice here according to weight. Select सबसे smaller weight, next and next, so on. Taking item 1 is big mistake globally, although looks good locally. Use dynamic programming to solve this pseudo polynomial time. Finding optimal code. Input. Finding optimal code कैसे find करेंगे? Suppose input data file of character and number of occurrence of each character. Then output find a binary encoding of each character so that data file can represent efficiently as possible and optimal code. This is the example of Hoffman code. Like that. If suppose that Hoffman code is the example of greedy approach. If total number of characters given A, B, C, D, E, F and frequency of each character equal to 45, 13, 12, 16, 9 and 5, then we fixed code 3 bit of each like that 00, 001, 010, 011, 100, 101. Then total number of bit required according to this frequency multiplied by the Hoffman code length then equal to 300. But we reduce the total number of bit using the Hoffman code like that 101, 100, 111, 1101, 1101 and 224 total bits required after the using the Hoffman. So for finding optimal code, data file of character and number of occurrence of each character calculated and sort the number of character in increasing order. Increasing order like that F, E, C, B, D, E, increasing order in term of frequency 45, 13, 12, 16, 9, 5. Now we select first two smallest frequency element. Now element is sorted in increasing order, so first and second is the smallest element of the given array. So 5 plus 9 equal to 14. 5 is left children of node and 9 is the right children of node. The calculation of 5 plus 9 equal to 14 and then now the sorted the node of given array. So then find the after the sorting 12 13 and combination of this 14 16 45, and then we calculate the Huffman tree. How to decode, how to find the Huffman code? With the fixed length code easy, break up to 3 and instance, simple. For variable length code, ensure that no character code is the prefix another, no ambiguity like that. 1011110 means A length 1, A length 00, B length 001, C length 001, D length 001, and E length 100, F length 1. If the fixed length code uses the Huffman binary tree representation, but using the Huffman code, but using the Huffman code 45 यानी A लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू की कोड लेंथ कितनी, केवल 1 0. Cost of code is sum overall characters C of the number occurrence C times depth of C in the tree. So how to create this tree? So creation of this tree like that, we sort the given character in term of frequency. First two element is merged, and then sort 12 13 14 16 15, next 12 13 merge, then sort 14 16 25 45, so on. Then we find the tree of Huffman code like that. The value of A equal to 45, length of 0, 45 multiplied by length of Huffman code length equal to 1. So number of bits is decreases using the Huffman code. So Huffman code is a greedy approach. Algorithm of Huffman code algorithm like that. N total number of equal to code equal to mod C, Q equal to C, I equal to 1 to N minus 1 to allocate new node Z. Z equal to left dot X, extract minimum Q, Z equal to right Y, extract minimum Q. ये प्रोसेस तब तक चलता रहेगा जब तक आपका सॉल्व नहीं हो. So this total number of n element is the build min heap, order of n time, and height of extracting total, order of log n, height of heap tree. So total time complexity equal to order of n log n of Huffman code analysis.